today I'm going to be making salted caramel coconut protein balls. So protein balls are the ultimate snack. They're so quick and easy to make and they will last in your fridge all week. So I like to make one protein ball recipe at the start of my week so I have something healthy to snack on throughout the week. Now, what you need for this particular recipe is a salted caramel protein powder, so 1 whole scoop of that. I've got a cup here of almonds. I'm going to be using a cup of dates. So these are pitted dates, which I'm currently soaking in hot water. I'm going to drain the water. And I've got a tablespoon here of coconut oil, which is melted, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, and I'll use a little pinch of sea salt. Now, to make the protein balls, they're really easy. You simply chuck all your ingredients into a food processor and process it until it's really well combined and it's nice and sticky. If it's not sticky, if it's a little bit dry, you can just add a dash of water into the mix. And then roll a tablespoon amount of the mixture into balls, pop it on a plate, put that in the fridge to set. They only need about half an hour to set. You can roll these ones in coconut if you wish, or you can leave them plain.